the sun. Would you say a day like this is a bad day for a detailer? Welcome to the Daily Grind. On this episode, we'd like to ask you, as detailers, what do you do on rainy days? Then we'd like to take you to work with us so you can see what we do on a rainy day. I guess it's all in the way that you look at it, because I feel like the rain does its part in a detailer's program, because the rain is going to get the cars dirty. People are going to step into their cars out of the rain and get their carpets nice and muddy. So as long as the rain do its part, I'm going to get my money.
Right now we're done with the paint correction and it being inside deep embedded in the car.
Yeah, I already told them that all of them are going to come out, but you guys did a damn good job on what would come out. Why are both of the generators going right now?
This was going for the old one. This one is
Okay, we could have plugged everything into one of them. Both of them don't need to be burning gas. You know? Huh? That's the only time you would need another generator. Just for the shampooer. Okay. The shampooer not getting used right now. Both of those can be plugged in. The ozone machine and the lights can be plugged into the same thing. Okay. Quit wasting my damn gas. So what's up, Ken?
Hey, winding down.
So what?
It's gonna rain no more.
Shit, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain till it stops raining. That's when it's gonna stop. So, during the rainy season, especially days like this, when we getting hammered with storm after storm after storm, I know most of y'all detailers out there be like, rain, go away, please come back some other day so y'all can get your money, right? This is what we do during the rainy season. We still operate. We get prepared for these kind of days. In times like these, when people are still in a hurry to get places, and they're driving through these huge puddles of water, they don't realize that they flood in their car till later on, when it's too late, when the water has already gotten into their car and cause water damage and molding. You got an inquiry to say what now?
So, her inquiry, they had a water leak through the undercarriage and it soaked through the carpet on one side of the car. It needs to be thoroughly cleaned and dried out. And do we do this type of service? Of course we do.
Of course we do.
We have a flood service.
Yes, ma'am.
Like to hear about it, here it goes. I'm going to send her quote for $1,200 to $2,400. Send to her, let her know what we can do, and get that fish on the line.
Yes.
Really.
Yes. what do real detailers do on days like this? So, what I do on rainy days to get prepared for when the sun come out, I do my marketing stuff. I work on my marketing campaigns and different projects that I want to see happen. You know, long as you stay ready, you ain't never got to get ready. And that's what I'm trying to do. Stay ready. You know? I was stopping to get coffee so I can come back in here and work on my marketing stuff, but they down there fixing the coffee machine.
With no cups in here either.
I know.
I need my tea.
And Kendall about to go back out there and run the ozone one more time. So
One more time.
I'm gonna let the client know that you.
I gonna do ozone.
Okay. Yeah. The rain ain't letting up. It's been raining all day. But what we got here? This is the stinky car with the spilled milk. Man, y'all got the milk all over the floorboard. Oh my goodness. We would have never got. Oh my goodness, it would have stank forever. Oh my goodness. This man is sweating his whole life out of his system. Oh my goodness.
So what's the best way to tackle this? Just go ahead and suck it up.
Yeah, suck it up. Oh shit, that is nasty. Bring the hot water on there.
I'm doing it now.
We need some bleach, so I'm gonna get some bleach. So this one's a mold removal?
Yep.
Okay. So this was happening on a rainy day around here. We got a full interior with mold removal. We got a paint correction on this work van. We have a full flood treatment on a Toyota. But we had to gut it out, disinfect, and get all the mold out. This is what real detailers do on a rainy day. Grant, why you put it up under there?
How you doing, man?
What's up? This is what we do to get it in on a rainy day. Nothing to stop the hustle. Rain or shine like the postman. So, the rain stopped for a little bit. In between the rain drops, what we got coming in here? We got a bodily fluid disinfectant service. This client, someone urinated in the back seat, and this is a Lyft and Uber car, so they got to get it back fresh for them, so we can put it back on the road and get the man back to work. Then here we got a mold removal service. This customer had let their window down, and it's a moldy situation here. It's gonna need all the mold removal processes, but the good thing is it's not a flood service. So there's mold all over the car. Woo! Stinking here too. Mold all down in there. I've been having people calling from all over the country, man. Okay. Kentucky. I learned a long time ago, because when I first got started in detailing on rainy days, I would sleep in. I would just stay at home and rest on rainy days. But when it's rain as much as it is now, I don't have the luxury to just stay at home. I would rather be out there getting ready for when the rain breaks. So what do you do on rainy days? Please drop something in the comments. Let us know what you do on rainy days. Yeah.
Rain, shine, and snow, man.
Rain or shine, we gotta get it, man.
Rain and shine, we on the grind.
Yep, that's it. Daily grind, that's what we do.
Excellency. Auto beauty.
Rain or shine.